Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with security keys on Microsoft account step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your security key is compatible with your device. Insert your security key into a USB port on your computer. If your key requires power, make sure it is charged. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft account sign-in page. Enter your Microsoft account email address and click Next. On the password page, enter your password and click Sign In. Once signed in, go to the Security section of your Microsoft account. Select Advanced Security options to manage your authentication methods. Look for the option to add a security key and click on it. Choose whether you want to use a USB, NFC, or Bluetooth security key. If using a USB security key, make sure it's still inserted. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your security key. You may need to tap the button on your security key to confirm. Give your security key a name for easier recognition. Once added, review your security key details for accuracy. To test your key, sign out of your Microsoft account. Return to the sign-in page and enter your email address again. This time, after entering your password, select the option to use a security key. Insert your security key again if it's not already connected. If prompted, tap the Keys button to confirm your identity. After successful authentication, you will be signed into your account. Your security key is now fully set up for future logins. Remember to keep it in a safe place for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.